In this video I will show you exactly how you can have unlimited upscaling of your Midjourney art. So if you go to the midjourney.com, you can actually type in your prompt, and I already did that. And if we go to my own profile, you can see I created all kinds of different AI art here. And for this image I actually tried the following prompt: astronaut portrait covered in colored smoke, stylized 500, insane details 32k. So using this prompt, I was actually able to create this amazing art here. So when I downloaded this image, I actually saw that the size of this image was only from this format, to 1024 times 1024. So if you actually want to upscale that to have a higher resolution, you would actually be able to upload it on websites like Etsy or Printify, for example. So you can sell it on clothing or a canvas or something like that. So I'm now going to show you how I was able to do that. So if you go to this website, it's called AI Image Enlarger. You can actually use this AI tool to upscale your images. So I already did this, of course, and I was able to upscale it one time and another time after that. And this way I was able to actually make 8 times more pixels of it. So it was like 800% bigger. Normally it was only able to do that using the paid subscription here, but what you can do, what I also did, is just doing the same process over and over again until you get a really big picture. So if you go to the size of this image, which I upscaled 2 times, you can see it's a lot bigger than the original source file. So it's like 16,000 by 16,000 pixels, which is pretty good for an image like this. So you can see it's of very good quality. You can see all the colors are blended very nice, and it's just a very good looking image. So that way you can actually go to Printify and Etsy to actually upload your images. And if you want to make money with it, make sure that you buy the premium description of the Midjourney, so you can actually have the right to sell it. And now let's say you want to know if you can actually sell it or not. That's what this part of the video will be about. So I actually found this article which explained to us exactly what are the licenses and the copyright and commercial use rules. So it's a whole lot of story, but here it actually says what are our rights as a non-payment user and what are your rights as a paid user. So can I use Midjourney commercially? Yes, if you're a paying member, then you can use the images created by Midjourney for any business purpose. Alright, so if you don't have the paid subscription for Midjourney, you're actually not able to sell it, or you're not allowed to sell it actually. This is only allowed if you have a paid subscription, which is already available for $8 per month in my country. So make sure to have the payment done before you actually create the images and try to sell it. Otherwise you could have some problems afterwards. So I hope you find this video interesting. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.